Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Let us go through what is meant by earthing. Earthing is to connect any electrical equipment to earth with a very low resistance wire, making it to attain earth's potential. The wire is usually connected to a copper plate placed at a depth of 2.5 to 3 meters from the grounded level. The body of any electrical equipment is connected to the earth by means of a wire of negligible resistance to safely discharge electric energy, which may be due to failure of the insulation line coming in contact with the casing, etc. Earthing brings the potential of the body of the equipment to zero, that is, to the earth's potential. For practical purposes, the earth's potential is taken as zero. So thus, by earthing, protecting the operating personnel against the electrical shock. What is the necessity of earthing? To protect the operating personnel who is going to operate an equipment, we are going to protect them by means of earthing to the equipment. Hence, the personnel can be protected from the danger of shock in case they come in contact with the charged frame due to defective insulation of the equipment. Earthing is necessary to maintain the line voltage constant under unbalanced load conditions, as well as it also protects the equipments. Protection of large buildings and all machines fed from overhead lines against lightning can be done by means of earthing. What are the methods of earthing? The important methods of earthing are the plate earthing and the pipe earthing. The earth resistance for copper wire is 1 ohm and that of GI wire is less than 3 ohms. The earth resistance should be kept as low as possible so that the neutral of any electrical system which is earthed is maintained almost at the earth potential, that is zero potential. The typical value of the earth resistance at powerhouse is 0.5 ohm and that of at the substation is 1 ohm. There are two types of earthing which we are going to prefer. First one is plate earthing and another is the pipe earthing. Let us go one by one. I shall first discuss the pipe earthing. This is the figure. You can observe the pipe earthing over here. I shall give an explanation for this. The earth electrode is made up of GI or galvanized iron. GI stands for galvanized iron. GI pipe of 38 mm in diameter and length of 2 meter depending on the current, with 12 mm holes on the surface, is placed upright at a depth of 4.75 meters in a permanently wet ground. To keep the value of earth resistance at the desired level, the area 15 centimeters is surrounding the GI pipe is filled with a mixture of salt and coal. The efficiency of the earthing system is improved by pouring water through the funnel periodically. You might have observed we need to pour water at the earthing place through the funnel which is provided. The GI earth wires of sufficient cross-sectional area are run through a 12.7 mm diameter pipe at 60 meters below from the 19 mm diameter pipe and secured tightly at the top. You can observe the pipe earthing arrangement over here. This is how the pipe is buried inside the ground. You can observe the pipe earthing over here. So this is the entire arrangement for the pipe earthing. Let us go through plate earthing. This is the arrangement of plate earthing, where you can observe the plate over here at the bottom inside the ground. This is the funnel arrangement which is provided to pour the water. Let us have the explanation for this. This is the method where a copper plate of 60 centimeter into 60 centimeter into 3.18 centimeter or a GI plate of size 60 into 60 into 6.35 centimeter is used for earthing. The plate is placed vertically down inside the ground at a depth of 3 meter and is embedded in alternate layers of coal and salt for a thickness of 15 centimeter. Water is poured for keeping the earth electrode resistance value well below a maximum of 5 ohms. The earth wire is securely bolted to the earth plate and a cement masonry chamber is built with a cast iron cover for easy regular maintenance. So this is the plate earthing arrangement. You can observe as per the explanation. When we compare both the type of earthing, plate earth system and the pipe earth system can carry larger leakage currents as much as larger surface area is in contact with the soil for a given electrode size. The system also enables easy maintenance as the earth wire connection is housed at the ground level. So thank you for watching this explanation.